Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and welcome to the new tutorial. And in this tutorial we're going to explore new model as well as new coding agent. So guys, let's get started with that. So first of all, I will say thanks to our uncle who introduced the new LLM model, Nemotron 3 Ultra. And this time we're going to try this one, and if we navigate to their official documentation, and guys, sorry, I got late because today is the 6th of June and this has been released on June 4, 2026. So I got late for 2 days, so sorry for that. So if we talk about it is a 550 billion total of parameters and 55 billion active parameters, and built on MOE, mixture of experts and blah 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 blah. You can read that things, and the benchmarks are showing that it's working good as compared to the GLM as well as the Kimi and the Quinn. But still we are going to do the practical stuff, and in this tutorial we're going to build the Node.js package, or you can say that npm-killer. Actually, I need to execute multiple commands to kill my port, so I want to create an interactive CLI package. So just if I provide the port number, it will automatically kill. I don't need to execute multiple commands or a lengthy command. Just we will type npm-killer and port and we are good to go. And this time I'm going to use the command code, and command code is a perfect tool, AI coding agent, which learns from your taste and which will help you to build the faster as compared to the other AI coding agents. I will do a detailed video on the command code regarding its features, but right now we are going to focus on the Nemotron 3 Ultra. And if you visit their packages under the billing, if you want to test this one, actually I have a Go plan which costs $1, good for the testing. And here you will get $40 on a DeepSeek V4 Pro credits as well as $23 on Nemotron 3 Ultra, and I think it's a good deal. If you guys are using an open code, or if you are new, then I will recommend you to give it a try, and you guys are good to go. And they have a $15 plan as well as the max plan as well as the ultra plan, and you guys will get a good amount of credits on a DeepSeek as well as the Nemotron. You guys will also have access to the other models that we will explore. And so now it's time to get started with that. So here I already opened up, and just to use the command code, you can simply type the command code or simply type the CMD. I'm going to use the CMD, and we're good to go, man. Okay, currently, if we see here, the DeepSeek V4 Pro is selected, and here is our test1 file, and this is my project directory. Okay, so I'm going to change the model. Here you guys will see you have an access to the GPT 5.5. You can see the pricing, on which pricing you can use. By the way, if you have a $1 Go plan, then you have $10 US credits. I think it's a good deal still again. And for open source models, they are good to go. So right now it's time to select the Nemotron 3 Ultra, and we are good to go with that. Okay, so I want to build a Node npm CLI tool to kill Node.js ports and make it interactive, because there are already many CLI tools in the market, but think differently and make it interactive for developers. And my recommendations for the name is npm killer, and npm is already authenticated, and you need to develop and test the package and upload it to the npm repo. So now we're going to build that stuff. So let's see. I will help you to build an interactive CLI tool called npm-killer to kill the Node.js ports. Let me first explore the current project structures to understand. And other thing is that now it's learning all the things. Yes, allow all the edits during the session. So it provided the project name, created a project directory npm-killer. So we are good to go. I need to open up another tab and see ls. Okay, there is a directory npm-killer, cd npm-killer. We are good to go. So now I'm going to create a new repo there called npm-killer. Okay, this tool will help you to kill your npm ports. Okay, and public and all the things, we are good to go. And here I will just git initiate. Okay, initiated, and I'm going to just add the remote origin, and we are good to go. By the way, if you are new to the GitHub, then I have my course at a Udemy. You can take this course. I will also put my Udemy course in the video YouTube description. You can visit, and you guys are good to go. Or you can simply, Udemy, visit my profile, just type the Muhammad Afzal, and here you will see my course for the GitHub, and you are good to go. I will try to put a promo code, but it will expire within 30 days, so that's why I'm just going to put the link. You can directly access it, and you guys are good to go, man. Okay, so here we have initiated our GitHub repo for that project, as well as now it's working. And I think I need to just pause the video, and when it will ask something or it will show the output, then we're going to resume the video and I will show you. And by the way, it's also maintaining the taste or what things we like, and in the future it will help us to avoid those mistakes, and it will implement the things which will help you to reduce your token cost. So it's time to pause the video. Welcome back, guys. So now it's saying I need you to log in into the npm manually. So here I'm going to execute another command, another terminal, and I will type npm login, and what it said, sorry, mistakenly I typed the nm. Okay, now I need to copy that URL and visit that URL, use security key, and I'm going to use my security key, and we are good to go. And now logged into the done with login. Okay, now we are good to go, man. So if I open up the VS Code, just I need to minimize the things. And where is my project folder? Okay, here is the npm-killer. Okay, and if I see, okay, just give me a second. ls-a, and here you guys will see that your cd ls-a, and here you will see the folder command code, okay, in the parent directory, and from there you can also see, and from here you will see the taste. Right now it's learning, and when I will give it a specialized command that okay, do by this way and this way, then it will automatically note down. So that's why I will create another tutorial, because it is a detailed tutorial for command code, where I will tell you where it's storing the taste and how it's maintaining the taste, because this is just a simple project that I'm going to build with the Nemotron. So that's why I'm not going deeper. with the command code. So, okay. Test pass, the publish requires one-time password OTP for your authentication. Replace your OTP code with the 6-digit Google Authenticator. Okay. So guys, I need to pause the video to pass the code. Welcome back, guys. Actually, I have some sort of a token authentication issue. So we will leave it, but it has completed all the stuff and generated the summary. And now it's time to test our package locally because it is installed there. So for the npm-killer, you need to type the npm-killer. Next, interactive mode default. If you need to list all the Node.js process with ports, it will show you. So currently I'm going to just type the npm-killer, and here we will see the interactive mode there. Okay, so now I'm going to just quitting that and going to run different npm just servers. Npm run dev, clear npm run dev. Okay, we are good to go with that. Tools villa, where is that? Npm run dev. It will be on 302. ims lab, clear npm run dev. It will be on 303. Okay, perfect. And npm run dev, and now we're good to go, man. So we have a multiple ports there, and it's time to check our npm killer. Okay, let's see what it will show us. Okay, it's showing us the port 301. I'm not sure why it's not showing the other ports, so we need to check it again. Okay, so I just give it a command. Okay, currently we are running 4 Node.js servers on different ports, but still it's showing only one port when I call the CLI. Okay, so now, by the way, it gave us the proper code helper plugin, which is running at 62481. Next is the node port. Might be possible. I need to run it again to see. Maybe it will take a little bit time. No, it's not showing. Okay, next, if I say npm-killer -l to list all the things. Okay, 1 and the 2 ports. Okay, it's only showing. Okay, it's working, and I'm again going to pause that video. So now it fixed the issues, and again I'm going to run the npm-killer, and let's see what will happen. Perfect. Okay, 301 port, 3000, 3002, 3003, and 3004. Perfect. And I'm happy to see that thing. Okay, if I just, okay, let me check that on which port it's running. 304. Okay, I'm just going to kill that server. Okay, select at least one process. Okay, with the space you need to select, again select, and we are good to go, man. Yes, kill 2 processes, and yes, now it terminated. Again, if I see it terminated. And by the way, I love that it created a interactive CLI tool, npm-killer -l, and let's see, it will show us. Okay, so yes, there is an issue in the formatting. Okay, when I execute npm-killer -l, then it's not showing the processes and ports in a proper list. So can you fix that issue? I think this model is good, but frankly speaking, we need to guide him just like a kid. Okay, do this, do this, do this. If we compare, if I say, then DeepSeek is a much better than that. Nemotron 3 Ultra. Might be it is a good for some other task, agentic task, but right now if I just give it a simple task to create this type of a CLI, so I didn't provide any complex task to this model, but still I need to guide it for all the things. Maybe it is good for the coding, but I will say it will be not, I think, so good for the deep reasoning or deep research. So now it's time to check it again. Yes, now it's a much better to see the things. npm-killer help to see, okay, -v version, npm-killer -v, see, okay, good, npm-killer -p port, kill process on a specific port. Okay, let me check that and let's see. Confirm is not a function. -p port, kill the process. Okay, now there is another error and I need to fix that. Let's see where is the issue. So it just fixed the issue, and I'm going to again execute npm run dev to void the process, and again I will execute the command npm-killer -p 3000. Yes, now it's asking. So now it's good to go. Yes, I killed the process. Again, I'm going to check the npm-killer help to see the other parameters. Okay, -l is working perfectly. -f, I am not sure. Okay, let's see npm-killer -f 3001, and it will kill the process without asking. Okay. So where is -f force kill without confirmation? Select process to kill. This is the issue, because when I provided the port, then why it's asking for this? This is not a good thing. Okay, again I am need to check force kill without confirmation. Might be it's opening. Yes, it's opening. Just give me a second. Yes, again it's asking for the confirmation. So this is not a good thing. I need to just again guide him. Okay, when I am calling npm-killer with -f and providing the port, then why it's showing me the complete list of ports and still asking before killing the port? So fix that issue. So guys, it fixed the issue, as well as I resolved my npm token issue, and now the package is live at npm.js. You guys can use the npm npm-killer on your machine, and you guys are good to go. So here I want to share another thing with all of you guys, that I'm not happy with their content creation. If I will show you my other packages like Open Memory, and its description is generated by DeepSeek v4 README file, and I'm happy to see this one. You can also try this package, because this package is good to go for if you are using a multiple AI coding agents. Then this package will maintain the unified context, whether you are using the open code or a command code, or you are using the codex, or you are using the cloud code. So it will maintain the things. So guys, we will give him one more chance to update the README file, and this time I'm also going to mention that, okay, can you regenerate the README file professionally, where use the SEO enabled content for our package, as well as these are author links that you need to add into this file, and let's see what it will do. So guys, here is our updated README documentation, and it updated, so good to go. But if I refresh, and okay, we have two versions there, it upgraded somehow, but it is a good to go. If I talk about the cost, then it consumed $3.85 US worth credits for this package development. So it is a good to go for the testing purpose, but or for agentic AI if you want to use with the Hermes or OpenClaw. But for the development purpose, I'm not going to use this anymore, because here we need to still guide him step by step on each things, and it's consuming the tokens to solve the issues. So guys, see you in another review for another AI agent or AI coding model. So guys, see you in the next tutorial. Have a good day. Bye bye.